HowExpert Guide to Drawing Dinosaurs is your complete hands-on roadmap to mastering the art of drawing dinosaurs through a focused 30-day D.I.N.O.S.A.U.R.S system. Whether you're a curious beginner or an aspiring paleo artist, this practical guide will teach you how to draw dynamic, believable dinosaurs with accuracy, style, and personal flair. Along the way, you'll be guided by 250-plus detailed illustrations that bring each step to life and make learning visual, clear, and inspiring. Designed as a 30-day creative journey, this guide condenses essential drawing skills into a motivating, structured path. You'll explore gesture and anatomy, iconic species, creative stylization, prehistoric environments, digital tools, and portfolio-ready projects, all through fun, step-by-step lessons, and daily drawing prompts. Introduction. Discover why dinosaurs continue to inspire artists. Gather your traditional or digital tools, and prepare for consistent artistic growth over the next 30 days. Chapter 1. Dinosaur. Drawing Foundations, Days 1 to 3. Learn the building blocks of shape, gesture, and line of action to bring energy and clarity to every dinosaur you draw. Chapter 2. Inside the Anatomy, Days 4 to 6. Study dinosaur skeletons, muscles, limbs, and balance to create realistic and believable prehistoric forms. Chapter 3. Notable Species. Step by step, Days 7 to 10. Follow drawing tutorials for legendary species like T-Rex, Triceratops, Velociraptor, and more, including flying and aquatic reptiles. Chapter 4. Original Style and Artistic Choices. Days 11 to 13. Explore stylization by drawing dinosaurs in realistic, cartoon, fantasy, or cute chibi forms, and begin developing your own personal voice. Chapter 5. Settings and Scenes. Days 14 to 16. Place your dinos in lush environments with prehistoric backdrops, creature interaction, mood, and story-rich composition. Chapter 6. Art Techniques in the Digital Age. Days 17 to 19. Discover the best drawing apps, digital brushes, and coloring techniques to elevate your dino art in Procreate, Photoshop, and more. Chapter 7. You using your skills creatively. Days 20 to 22. Apply your skills to real-world projects like comics, coloring pages, social media challenges, stickers, or art portfolios. Chapter 8. Raw-worthy projects. Days 23 to 25. Create your own species, full-scene posters, or imaginative mashups to showcase your creativity and mastery. Chapter 9. Sharpening and Sharing. Days 26 to 30. Revisit old sketches, seek feedback, enter art contests, and teach or share your dinosaur art with the world. Conclusion. Reflect on your creative growth and prepare for the next step, whether that's dragons, sci-fi creatures, or your own original prehistoric universe. Appendices. Includes pose templates, texture references, anatomy glossaries, bonus prompts, and a guide to top museums and resources for deeper inspiration. HowExpert Guide to Drawing Dinosaurs is more than just a drawing book. It's a complete creative system filled with structured lessons, imaginative prompts, and visual exploration. Perfect for artists of all ages, this 30-day guide will help you improve your technique, express your creativity, and develop your unique voice as a dinosaur illustrator. With 250-plus illustrations, daily goals, real-world applications, and encouragement every step of the way, you'll draw, grow, and roar, one dinosaur at a time. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.